All right, good morning, folks. It's Friday. We've got a lot to talk about. It's been a wild couple days. Big week in the markets for those who are just tuning in. So we're in the final trading day of the week. Another crazy day yesterday with the stock market. Markets were up. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ were all trading north of 1% higher. NASDAQ was trading 2% higher. Again, around the lunchtime hour, things started to sell off and they sold off hard, finishing the day down 1% plus across the board. So again, it was just a bloodbath on the street yesterday. We had some key earnings out yesterday after the close, most notably with Netflix. Netflix was down to the tune of 19% in the pre-market. So when you look at the stock market heading into today's open, you're seeing a lot of red on the screen as that earnings report in particular is weighing very heavy on these markets. So Dow Jones down about 115 right now, S&P's down 27, and the NASDAQ down 1%. That's 145 points. Remember, we're still in correction territory. Now, the S&P 500 yesterday broke through and settled below a key level, that 4,500 level. We settled below it last night. Key level. The next stop to the downside, as far as what we're seeing, is around that 4320 mark, which is about 120 more points lower from here. But that would be a 10% move, so that would officially be a correction for the S&P from the recent high. So a lot of eyeballs on that right now. So again, there's a lot going on in these markets right now, particularly the stock market with earnings. And now we're heading into next week where we have a 2-day Fed meeting, and again, the other catalyst out there, inflation, and will the Fed raise rates? We're hoping to get some clarity on that come next week. So a big week on tap next week. Now, FX, dollar, been a crazy week for the dollar, driving its way higher, taking a bit of a breather this morning ahead of that Fed meeting kicking off next week, and oil down 2.5% right now, just broke below $85 a barrel in WTI. Wild morning, folks, a lot of volatility, a lot going on. Let's finish this week strong. Let's get in there, trade some price action, have a great weekend, and let's come back next week for Fed week ready to go. All right, folks, I'll talk to you later.